To everyone, welcome back learning basic reading Tibetan language. Today we are part 4 for learning Tolma. Presses to 21 Tara. Tolma Nyet Chik La Te Pa. Okay, let's start. Ma ding bo me ta naru to ka tok me tok pau da shab ju du ka duk sa pata pa naru po sa pe duk pe ma ra mar ma ding bo me mar me Thareta Tagigu Ti Me Tok Dukpe Marme Ti Shala Shal Sa Sa Se Shall Se Ra Naru Rola Rol Ma Naru Mo Rol mo La sa naru so ka sa sok La sok pa Shall se rul mo La sok pa Tau nga naru ngo sa nge Au ba eta ja naru jo ra jor Nge jor Ya kigu yi ta yi Ka eda kya kigu ki sa kis Yi kis Sa pata pa reta ta shabju tu la tul Na sa ne Tul ne Au ba shabju bu la bul Nge jor yi ki tul ne bul Au pa ka sa pak ma a kigu yi me pak me cha naro chok ka sa chok ka yata kya kigu ki sa ki chok ki pao sha dingbo she sa shabju su she su Gao sa naru so la sol Pak me chok ki she su sol Me tok duk pe mar me ti Shall se rol mo la sok pa Nge jor yi ki tul ne bul Pak me chok ki she su sol Okay, me tok is flowers Duk pe is incense Marme is butter lumps Tea is perfume Shall say is food Rolmo is music La sokpa is so on Ngejur is like real or actual Yiki tul means imagine Ne is by Bull is offering So here is a ngejur mean is something that you have a possess property and anything that you have your own and then you trying to offer like a flower, incense, butter. These are just if you can afford by yourself and you're offering flower to the Tara and you're offering incense to Tara or offering to Lam to Tara, and these are like if you have that's called like actual that you have already with you, but imagine it's something that you don't have those of thing, and then you through your imagining and then you're offering. So that's why two kinds of offering. So that's why it's a real offering or actual offering or imagination offering. So there is two way of offering. Pakma is Arya, Kon Yagyui is connective particle, Tok is host, and Ki is connective particle. Shesu soul is kind of please receive, accept, or my offering. So this is the meaning of Shesu soul, and here is literally is just like offering. These things are through the green Tara. So first we invite green Tara and then prostrate to Tara. That is the previous video, and now this one is like offering. These things are through the green Tara. Just like when you have guests at home and you offer like juice, tea, anything that for guests. Similar, this is. So this is our way of like the previous video is prostrating is because we want to purify our body. It's not prostration. It's just trying to purify our body that we accumulate negative karma, and through the prostration we purify this through the body, speech, mind. Because when you prostrate and you recite prayer and you try to think positive, and then you purify body negative, speech negative, mind negative. As now is here is offering. The offering are these are way of accumulating the merit. Okay. So here is all literal translation of this thing. Me dok du pe marme ti shalse romon la sokpa ngujuru yigi tunnembo pangme tsoki shesu sol. So these are literal translation. Okay, so you can see a link below this video. Click on link and download PDF file. Enjoy learning Dolma. So we are in part 4. Chema Jayong. See you later. Bye for now and take care.